In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Calendly contacts in Excel. So exporting your Calendly contacts lets you build email lists, move leads into your CRM, follow up with past clients, track who's booking and why. So in this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can export them. So this is really easy to do, and the first step is you want to make sure you are logged into your Calendly account. Alright, so you can check it in top right corner, and then we want to head to meetings, so it's under scheduling, and from here you can see all your meetings, and to export them you just want to click on this export button. All right, and this should automatically download it as a zip file. So now I can go to my downloads and I'm going to drag it on desktop. I'm going to right click on it and we want to extract it, so extract all. And now this should extract our events, and you can see the folder here. You can open it with different programs. I'm currently using Excel, so I'm gonna open it in Excel. All right, and from here you can see everything. So I'm gonna quickly adjust the cell sizes like this, and you can see that this is the username. You can see invitee name, invitee first name, last name, some addresses, and you can see many different details from here. So this is how you can export your contacts from Calendly to Excel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.